Hi guys, this is Bipin here. Welcome to the world of spatial information technology. In this video, we'll discuss how to import LiDAR point cloud data into AutoCAD Map 3D. For this, first open AutoCAD Map 3D software and type the command map point cloud manager. Edit the file. See here, the LiDAR point cloud data in LASP format is available here. Select the file. Select the file again. And first generate the indices and add to the map. Once after adding to the map, it will reflect into the task pane window. Close the current window and just to zoom to layer. See here, the LiDAR point cloud data is displaying here. You can also control the density of the point cloud data because it looks like too sparse by typing point cloud density. See here, the current point cloud density is 5. You can control it up to 100 value. Right now I'm giving the value say 50, and just to zoom to layer. See here, the point cloud density value is increased here, but notice here one thing, the RGB color value is missing here. You can also assign the RGB value according to the classification, intensity and elevation value. See here, first I will assign the RGB value according to classification. Yeah, see, looks like RGB value is assigned here. You can also check how many classes is there inside this LiDAR point cloud data. See here, these are all number of classes inside this point cloud data. You can also toggle on and off the specific feature according to requirement. Alright, that's all for this video guys. Hope you like the video. If you really like the video, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.